Hey everyone, this is Lindsay from the Flybook crew, and I wanted to tell you about one of my absolute favorite features in Flybook, and that is our gift cards. Gift cards are a great way to drive revenue in those shoulder and off seasons, but we recommend selling them all year round. The biggest reason for that is the purchaser does not need to know what adventure is going to be booked. They're just buying a value that can be spent at your business. So the person who receives the gift card can decide whatever adventure or product they want to spend that value on. You can see here a mock-up of the gift cards, and I'll show you in a moment the templates that we have. Gift cards are one of the easiest things to set up in Flybook. And gift cards all year round are an amazing revenue driver and can serve a broader audience than just your typical adventurer. If I am not an adventurer myself, though I am, I can be buying one for that family member who loves to get out on the river or loves to go ziplining. I'm going to show you now the setup of it behind the scenes in Flybook. So we'll come here into gift cards. You would click add new, and then the rest of the setup is really straightforward. So over here on the left, you have any disclaimers and company policies, as well as your abouts in case they've never adventured with you before. Over here, you can set a minimum amount. You could start the bar a little higher and then end the bar high, or narrow that field so that maybe you're only allowing a maximum gift card of $100. It's really up to you. One of the nice things about our gift card setup as well is you can build in an automatic discount. So if I wanted to run a holiday sale of 10% off of my gift cards, you would just plug that 10 right into that discount percentage, and then the customers would automatically get that upon checkout while still receiving the full value of the gift card. So it's a really great option for that holiday push that you're going to make. When I come into these templates, we have a prefab template for you where you can just click use default. You saw that at the top of the video. And then you can, of course, also come in and make your own designs for gift cards. Gift cards can be sent immediately, or they can be sent at a custom time you choose. So if I'm getting some early holiday shopping done, but I know I don't want it delivered until, let's say, New Year's Day or around the holidays, I can choose that specific send date and time for it to arrive. Some people still like to do it old school as well and print it out so that you can hand that to someone, stick it in the tree, or put it in a present. All around, these are a really amazing feature in Flybook. We highly recommend taking advantage of it as we enter into this holiday season. If you have any questions at all, we are here to help and, of course, look forward to adventuring with you.